Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add keyframe to our edits in CapCut. Okay, the first thing you should do is import your video or photo you want to add keyframe. And then right now I have imported my photo. Then if you want to add keyframe, what you're gonna do is choose the part of the video or clip that you want to add keyframe. But before it, you have to click on the clip and then choose the part that you want to add keyframe, and then I'm going to choose this part, and then after that we can click on this keyframe feature like this, and I'm going to create like zoom animation to my clip, and then what I'm going to do is just zoom in the photo like this. Use both of your fingers to zoom the photo like this. Just pinch the screen, and then I'm going to add another keyframe. Just click on the keyframe like this and zoom the photo. All right, and just repeat the step to add another keyframe like this. All right. Okay, and now let's check the result, guys. Okay. Alright guys, that's how basically the keyframe feature works, and I hope this video will help you. And if you want to remove the keyframe from your clip, you just have to click on the keyframe and then click on this icon. Just click on it to remove the keyframe like this. Alright, okay guys, that's all the tutorial from me. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!